So this is a breadboard. I'm going to explain it. So plus and minus go up and down like this. So let's see like that. One of them can come off like this one to remind you of something. And then these go across like that. So like if I want to connect A and E, they will connect. So those rows will connect. So if I want to connect 15 and 14, that would not work. Now I have to do plus or minus, up and down. Okay, so I'm going to do a circuit. Okay?
What are you doing on this one?
I'm going to do the circuit. It has to go on the right one. Otherwise, the fan is going to break, whatever. Okay, so that and like that. We need
next time, please.
black. So, fan is running.
So what?
Sorry.
So what happens if you unplug one?
If you unplug one, it will stop. Unplug it back.
Because why does it stop?
Because you need both of these connected.
Why?
Otherwise, it won't make a circuit. So I'll show you.
What's a circuit?
It's basically where it goes around the circle. So it starts here at the battery, goes out the red, then
Black?
out the black, and then it goes in to the black, and then it'll go into here, which makes the fan run, and then it goes back into the battery with the red, and so it makes a circuit.
Oh.
So since you know what a circuit is, besides, why do we need this breadboard?
That's if you wanted to make the light work.
Can we do that?
Sure.
Okay, so if you want to make the light work too, then we need to plug this in.
Use this side right here.
Like that. So that one. So it makes the light work.
Okay, so where's the circuit there? How does it go that way?
So it goes out the red, through here, and then it goes back out,
I thought red or black?
and then this.
Goes to the black first, right?
Oh yeah, goes to the black, into this, that goes to the white, and the white goes into this, that goes into the red, that goes through, back into the battery. Why does the battery say drive on it?
It just does.
Oh.
Do you remember how to have this work? What is this?
A button.
How do you hook up that button? Can you hook it up?
Okay.
So how would you do that?
So we need this.
Remember, it needs to make a circuit, right?
Yeah, so we need to take this out, right?
Oh, you want to hook it up to this? You want to hook it up to the fan? Why don't we go back over here then?
Okay. So we need to hook it up to the plus and the minus, like that. That hooks up to the fan, then we need the button.
Yeah, it'll be a minute.
I like kisses. That. There you go. So it won't work. Press the button.
It's making a circuit though. Why won't it work?
Because it's not making a circuit.
What do you mean? You got the red, goes to this red, goes up this way, and the black. What are you missing?
Battery?
Yep.
So we need to plug the battery in. I did never ever know this. My dad just told me this. We need this and minus and this.
if you remember, you want it to make one circuit, right? So the battery can go straight here. So what you need to do is unplug one of those. Plug that back in. Now you plug them both in.
Never know this. It's a new thing for me.
Why don't you unplug one of the fans wires? Pick one.
And black.
Yep. Now pick a row.
What?
Pick a row to put it in. What row do you want to put it in?
E.
E?
Actually, I just want to put it in this row. C.
That's column C. Yep. So what row is that? Row 8?
7.
7.
And go in.
Try a different one.
Go in. D. And go in.
So it's in row 1 now? Right, now what do you need to do to make a circuit now? Unplug this black one. Or this red one.
I never knew this. Ever.
Now if you need to make a circuit, what row do you put it in?
Row.
Put it in row 1.
Number 1. Row 1, number 1. Can't do it. Cannot do it. Please wait, please wait, please.
You want to try it? Push the button.
Yeah! Yeah.
So how does the
We
circuit
have
go
to
now?
hold it.
Yeah. So how does the circuit go now? It starts at the battery,
Battery
goes to the black.
goes to the black like that. Goes to here. Here. It goes into the button. It goes out the red. Right here into the black like this. Into the fan. Out the red. And back into the battery.
Yep. So why does the button stop and start it?
Because you need to press it. If you unpress it, the whole thing will stop.
So it breaks the circuit when it's not pressed?
Yeah, so always press it. Do. You can also do a dance with the fan. Da.
Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye.